expensive, 280 ringgit a night. But there's double bed, large double. The singles, I guess between 3 people it's not so bad. Little beach out, so follow this path round. I think you can see the water. I'll try and get on the beach somehow. Worker Johnny working away. I mean, this is hot just to walk. Take you through. I can just cut through here. Oh, looks like a barbecue area. Maybe. Like surfboards, maybe it's turned into a restaurant. Can I swing? See these tyres? Oh, it's gonna have to get done. It's quite well done that. It's amazing the utility of like old knackered stuff that people can do. It's probably bad for the environment having those rubber tyres around like degrading, but I mean, geez, they've used them as well, haven't they? Decent spot, hammocking if you like hammocking. This is the place for you. World's biggest swing. Probably look a bit weird on camera.